Johnny, come back up front. Come back up here.
Normally, during race conditions, we're putting fuel in the car. You would all see helmets on the crew members, gloves, what we call a bella cloth that goes over their head, and if we have a problem with the clock, we would have that protection. So what you're not in here is the refueler. So normally there's 4 crew members over the wall, plus a fire bottle operator. So what you're going to see here is 3 crew members who basically do all the work. So one thing I want you to keep in mind is 3 guys doing this for 24 hours. And we're how many pit stops do you think you do? 13 on a normal. So 13, 14 over a 24-hour period. And I can tell you for myself, I try to work the entire race. Unless you work the 24-hour race, you just can't imagine the fatigue that comes into this. So when you're watching the race, and hopefully everybody comes to the speedway, imagine what these guys are going to do. Because there's no leaving the track, there's no laying down, they have to be up all night. So I'm going to let them introduce the crew real quick, and then we'll get started.
Okay, 1, 2. So doing the front tyres, we have Elaine. Give us away, Elaine. Give a chair. Doing the air jack and the tyre carrying in the rear is Robert. Doing the rear tyre change is Eric.
Okay, so what we're going to simulate, the car's on track, the crew's getting ready for their car to come in. The car must be at a complete stop before any crew members are allowed over the wall. Say, for example, if they did jump in early, that would be a call from me and a call from race control, and then we actually do have a penalty box, kind of like in hockey. So the worst thing that you can do to a race car driver is make them call off the track and go sit in the penalty box for 30 minutes, 30 seconds to a minute. So imagine that. So basically, crew, you ready? Cars coming in. 1, 2, 3, stop. Just remember, there's refueling going on at the same time it's happening. The engine is running. That's a pit stop. So like I said, imagine doing that for 24 hours. And that's just for the race. That's not even an all-day practice that we have from tomorrow from, 8 to 8 at night that they're working, and all day long. So guys, do one more. You guys want to see one more? Come on! 5 more? They might have to, I might have to pay them. No, they just said no. Okay, guys, let's make this the best one ever, all right? 1. Oh, okay. Almost got a penalty.
Now we're going to spill the penalty.
All right, let's make some noise for these people. This is Florida. Let's go. Are you ready? Everybody ready? 1, 2, 3. Cars in the pit box, stop. How about that? Like I said, for 24 hours, he's got to work. So on behalf of IMSA, NASCAR, the Friends family, everybody involved, we'll be witnessing across the street. Thank you very much for being here.
Hey, one more big round of applause for Johnny. The pit lane. All right, folks, big thanks to Starboard. We are maybe going to do this again in about 15 or 20 minutes, so if you didn't get your fill of it, stick around. We're going to try to talk to these guys into doing it again for us about 15 or 20 minutes. Until then, walk around, enjoy it. It's the 2nd annual IMSA 24 Premier here at One Daytona. Enjoy the evening. We're getting ready for a great weekend racing here at Daytona.